Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials, but today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable baby bow headband. It's super easy. Come on, I'll show you. Okay, to get started on your baby headband, you'll first want to take a tape measure and measure around your baby's head. And my granddaughter's is 15 and a half. So I'm going to take whatever measurement you come up with for your baby. So mine's 15 and a half. I'm going to add 18 inches. So take your measurement and add 18 inches. And when I do that to mine, it's going to be 33 and a half inches. And then cut your fabric 5 inches wide by the length that you determine with your baby's head measurement plus 18 inches is the length. And then the width is always 5 if you want a big bow. If you want a smaller bow for the head, you could do 3-inch wide. So cut your fabric accordingly. And then the key to tying these is you need to get a board. And I know a lot of people that make these for sale, they either make their own boards or buy them on Etsy. But what you need to do is have a board that's half of the measurement of your baby's head. My granddaughter's head is 15 and a half inches around, so I need to find a board that is half of 15 and a half, which is 7 3/4 inch. And I looked around my house and I found this cutting board that I had got at Dollar Tree, and it happens to be 7 3/4 inches wide. And you could also look around your house if you needed an 18 inch. This clipboard would work because this is 9 inches, so this would be half of an 18 inch. So just look around your house. You might have a board of some type, even a cutting board or just a piece of wood or a journal, a book. But I found this, so I think this is going to work perfect for me because this is half of 15 and a half. So we need your board, and you'll need your fabric cut 5 inches wide by the length that you needed. And you'll need some of these you'll need one of these little clear rubber bands. So you're going to take one end, and the pretty side is down. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. And you're going to fold it there to equal 5 inches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold that over, so that's 5 inches. From here to here is 5 inches. And then we're going to fold it one more time, 5 inches. And you can use the grid, makes it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. And then you're going to take a clear rubber band, and you're going to go right in the center, which would be 2 1/2. Right here's the center, and we're going to kind of just pull that in like this, kind of fold it in like that, and then you're going to take and you're going to put this right in the middle of this bow. Like that, just to help hold it in place for our next step. Then we're going to take our board, and we're going to make sure this is flat, the right side facing down, and the bow up like this. And we're going to bring our bow like this on our board, and we're going to take this left side, and we're going to tie it. We're going to come here, go under the bow this way, and go underneath, and we're going to just tie it like that. And then we're going to take our fingers like this, these two fingers, and we're going to wrap them underneath the bow like this to hold it. And as we pull this piece under, we want to make sure that the right side is still facing down of this part. And kind of pull it tight, and kind of, here, before we do that, take this part, that's coming out from under where the bow is, and kind of fold it in so that the right sides will be nice and smooth here. And then we're going to take our 2 fingers here and wrap them around the bow. See that? And then we're going to take this, and after we pull it, we're going to bring it up and wrap it around the center of this bow, and then hold the bow up, and you'll see this little hole we created by when we went over the bow, that we created a hole, and we take this and we poke it through that hole and pull it from the left side like that. And pull that, and then come back over here and just fix your bow like that, and then pull it off your board. And then what you want to do now is to make sure this measures half of your baby's head circumference. So mine was 15.5, so this needs to be 7 3/4, and it's a little bit short, so I just need to come in here and pull it to make it a little bigger. Now let's measure it. Lay it out. It's 7, so we need to go about 3/4 of an inch more. So I'll pull it again to tighten it. And if it was too big, you would just pull this to shorten it. But I need mine to be a little bigger. It needs to be 7 3/4. There, now it's a little bit big. Let me shorten it a little bit. There. There. It's about 7 3/4. So that will fit my granddaughter. And that's how you make it. Just that simple. You just wrap that around their little head, and then this part here, you can snip off the excess, and then you can tack this or glue it to behind this little bow here so you don't see it. And there's your adorable little baby bow headband. Just that quick and easy. You can make several in no time. I'm all done. Wasn't that quick and easy? Aren't they adorable? I can't wait to get these in the mail to my granddaughter. Before I go, I just wanted to go over a few tips with you guys before you make your baby headbands. Make sure when you cut the length of your fabric that you're cutting it on the stretchiest part. So this would be the length, because this way it doesn't stretch as much. So make sure the stretchiest part is going the length, the longest part around the baby's head, like that. And also it makes a much smoother edge if you use a rotary cutter than cutting with scissors. So that will make your life easier. If you like this video, click on this video right here. I think you'll like it. Thank you for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.